Alrighty, so it is back to school eve. A lot less exciting than Christmas Eve. So we are going to have the kids do something different this year and pack their own lunches. Ava is going to kindergarten. Let's see, here we go. So lunchbox for Alex, lunchbox for Ava. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I wanted to buy ice packs. Oops. Okay. Well, we'll worry about that later. Okay, so hey, are you drinking your milk, buddy? You got the shoes, you got the shirt. Where's the pants? Huh? Where's your pants?
Puppy.
Puppy? Here, you can go outside, buddy. Want to go outside? We're just gonna make sure we close the door so all the air conditioning doesn't go out. There we go. Anyway, okay, so, hey Ava, lunchtime. Let's pack it. So, first day of school, we always let them have Lunchables. So we got our Lunchables right here. Okay, here we go. So open the box. We're gonna take it out of the box because the box kind of takes up a lot of room. So do that. You're gonna bring a bottle of water just because it's still pretty hot outside. Ah, my gosh, sorry, I just hit this thing. So we gotta get our bottles. Alex can have the dinosaurs. Ooh, Shopkin, sort of cute. There we go. Okay. Next we'll be filling up these waters. Let's see, so we have our drink, we have that, and then probably let's pack an applesauce just in case you're still hungry. Do you think you'll still be hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, so grab an applesauce. There we go, you're doing a good job. You're gonna beat Alex. Okay, perfect, good, okay. Close her up. Okay, put it inside, perfecto. Okay, so you're good there, and then, okay, so zip it up. Okay, so that was super easy, right? Okay, step one complete. Okay, so put it in the fridge. There we go. We're gonna keep it, oh my goodness. Ah! Okay, in the fridge, perfect. Okay, hey, Alex. Whoa, my gosh, all these superpowers. Okay, hey, actually, oh wait, next step. Fill up your water, here you go. So just fill it up over there. Okay. Hey, Alex, you gotta make your school lunch.
Okay.
So, right here, take the Lunchable out of the package, put it in your lunchbox, and then pack like a fruit, too. Okay? Okay, is that all the way full? Let me see, just because you don't want to... Yeah, that's good enough. If you want a little more. Very good, okay, done, perfecto. And then we're gonna put that just in the fridge so it stays cold. And then in the morning, we'll put it in your backpack, okay? There we go. Oh, hey, do you want to go inside? Oh my gosh, look how sweaty you are. Hey, do you want to come inside? Do you want to come inside? Come on. No? Okay, you just want to say hi?
Okay.
Bye. Okay. Yep, you're good. Okay, great. Okay, hey, did you put yours in? And then grab an applesauce or fruit cup, something like that. And then, okay, here we go. So we're good here. Hey guys, so your boxes, do they go on the floor? Let's put it, okay. Here we go. So you put this in the recycling, guys. Next step, the snacks for school. So hey, wait, let's go in the pantry. You guys can pick out your snacks. It can't be like a cookie or something. So, yep, goldfish is a perfect snack. So grab that out. Oh, hey, just grab it here.
How about popcorn?
I don't know. Do you think that's messy?
People have it like that type of popcorn. Can you help me open?
Yeah, that's fine. If you want the popcorn. One second, we need a new bag. Here you go. Here you go, buddy.
Tiny things.
Oh, they're like little mints. You can have one if you want. Okay. Hey, get a baggies. Oh, guys, the Ziploc bags, do you know where they are?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, grab one for you, one for Ava. Probably that size. Yep, that's a good size. Wait, one for you, one for Ava. Hello?
Okay.
Hello? There we go. Oh yeah, so I need to help you. Ooh, this is gonna be hard one-handed. Hold on. Perfecto. I'll help you pour. There we go. Yeah, I think that's enough. Do you think that's enough?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Close her up.
There.
Close this up.
Is
Okay,
it
a little more.
good?
Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so what we're gonna do, that goes in your backpack. So let's find your backpack. I think it's either, it's so crazy to have 2 kids in school now and then 1 more to go, buddy. Huh? Okay, so Ava has a really cool Shopkins backpack. Oh good, it's here. Yay. Oh man, like this area is already so crowded.
I'm only fine.
I know. Okay, so here's your backpack. So your snack, you're gonna put every day in maybe this pocket, okay? So put it in the heart pocket.
Okay.
Then Alex has a new backpack. Okay, buddy, put your snack in the backpack. And then here's all the school supplies we bought for you. So you have like Ziploc bags, a binder, Kleenex,
That's actually mine.
paper.
That's actually mine.
I know, this is for you, so we'll bring it to kindergarten tomorrow.
But are you gonna carry it?
Yeah, I'll carry it for you. There's no way you're gonna. Hey, do you want to test on your backpack? See if it fits fine? The car wash. And somebody's afraid.
It's okay, buddy. Are you okay?
Look at him. It's like. Look at him. Thanks for holding his hand, buddy. He's adorable. Look. Ooh, all the different colors.
Yellow and blue.
We paid extra for that green. Oh, it is purple back there? Oh, yeah. Look at that.
It's like
I wonder if it matters, or they just put it on there to make it seem like you have a lot of different
so many bugs on our windshield and on the front, so I doubt they're going to get it all out.
No. Is this good or bad?
But is this
It's
scary?
good.
Is this scary?
I think it's not scary. He's like totally freaked out. Yeah, I think car wash is fun, guys. Let's see how this color go bye-bye. Oh, yeah,
Do you have any car wash tips while you're in here?
No,
I'm
do
washing
you?
the car. Let's see. Advice during the car wash.
Put it in neutral.
Yeah, don't put it in park.
Oh, don't open your window.
I'm just saying life advice during the
Oh,
car
life
wash.
advice? I didn't know. Marry me.
What's that?
Marry me.
Marry you.
Yeah. There we go, buddies. He's happier. Okay, and we're good. We'll dry it off. So we're at the arcade with Loose Toys. Alex is meeting a new best friend. Hey! And we are trying to do a pirate treasure. Spin the wheel. Do you have enough? Okay, okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, so spin. Oh, like this. Like this. Okay. What? 25. That looks right. Did we get it? Yeah, we got 25 points. Hey, not bad. Oh, yeah, 3, buddy. That's good. 1 for all of you. So earlier today, Dad and I put a special surprise on Alex's bed. He just found it. Are you happy about the surprise? Oh, you found it? Hey, wait, should we not tell everyone what it is? Should we just, or we'll just show everybody? Here, come upstairs. It's your favorite thing ever. So Alex, this is a thing that we knew he would love.
No, I hate it.
Here, hey, do you want to come upstairs? Should we show it off?
I run away every time I see it.
Yeah, so it's like, so every single day this show comes on and you're like,
run away from.
yeah, and you're like, turn it off, turn it off. And then Ava, she used to like it, and then
I didn't.
and then after you stopped watching it, Alex became your friend.
I
Remember that?
didn't.
No joke. She's like, Alex likes to know that I don't watch this show. So, any guesses of what the show is? Here, let me turn on the light. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Vampirina! So we put it up there for you, buddy. Just for you. No. I'm surprised it took this long. We put it up at like 8 this morning. Oh, is there singing? No, there's no singing thing. Oh, do you like it? Anyway, just because Alex doesn't like Vampirina doesn't mean you.
Mom, get out of the house.
Get out of the house. We'll film it on our channels. Don't worry, we'll do it while you're in school.
Oh,
Do you like it? Do you like it?
What's going on, there?
Oh, the Vampirina.
Oh, you put Alex's favorite toy
Yes.
in his bed?
Yeah, he
Oh,
loves it.
that's
He's
awesome.
always like, Vampirina. You go around the house singing the song.